Let's have a look at how to add music to a Canva video. For that purpose, we're quickly going to create a video project first. To do that, on Canva's homepage, we go to create the design in the upper left corner of the screen, and then we make sure to choose videos here. And we then click on one of the video templates right here. In my case, I will simply go with the 1080p video template right here. Next, I go to videos in the left sidebar and add a video into my project. I right click on it and set the video as background. Now to add music to our video here in Canva, here's how we do it. In the left sidebar here, look for audio. There's a chance that after the latest updates you actually cannot find the audio tab there. If that is the case, what you have to do is to click on apps here in the left sidebar. And then when you scroll down a bit, under more from Canva, you will actually find the audio tab. To restore this audio tab now, all you need to do is to click on it and it will then appear again here in the left sidebar. So now next you click on audio. And you will then see all the available audio tracks right here. There are free audio tracks and there are also audio tracks that are only reserved for Canva Pro users. If you are a free user, go to the filter option here on top and then under price make sure to tick free. Now when you go back to this list here, you will find all the free songs that you can use for your video. To use one of these in your design, all you need to do is to left click on it and it will be directly added to your video. Now when you press on play here, your audio track will play along your video. And this is how you add music to a video in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials. Have a good one, bye!